Hi Capricorns, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 7th till 13th of September, and we will see what are the guidance messages for you from my tarot angels for this week. Alright, so let's see what are the messages for my Capricorns for this coming week from September 7th till 13th. Let's see. For those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, now let's see what is there for my Capricorn, please. Last shuffle. Okay. Okay, so Five of Wands in your overall energy. Okay, so before that, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Okay, so this is a Five of Wands over here with the issue as the Seven of Swords. So it's an energy where you are in the middle of a conflict, you are in the middle of something, and all you can see is people deceiving you. You want to aim high. See how you are aiming high in your life. You want to just reach to the top level of your life. There's a lot of competition as well, okay, but you are really working, and you're moving high, you are aiming for the high things. But with the Seven of Swords, it's always like a lot of deception. Always when you just reach the level, somebody comes and deceive you. Okay, when you are just in the path of making a family, or just when you are ready to explore. It's like when you are climbing Mount Everest, and when you will reach the peak, just before that, somebody just that person will do like this. Let's see, let me show you. This girl just knocked out this guy. So it's like that feeling, a deception kind of a feeling every time. On your head, your focus right now is the Ten of Cups. So it is about your family issues, family matters, whatever this is, because it's in your head, and you just want that at the end you want that you and your family should be happy. Your past energies are the Hanged Man. So there has been a lot of thinking. The thinkings has been done. A lot of thinking was there. You have thought about it, you have dealt with it, but you haven't took any action. But still you are done with it, because you have done the thinking process. Okay. The Justice in the base of the reading. It's like when you want justice, all you want is justice over here, and you don't know that what will happen. Okay, so you are in the middle where you are seeking for justice. Might be a court issue in your life right now. It's going on, some kind of law or judgmental things. Might be people also talking about you in a very judgmental way. Many things basically. This is not just one thing, this is many things. Okay, we will clarify. The Lovers in your future energies. It's like someone meeting you, might be a new person. You are going to meet someone. Your energies are the Hierophant. Hierophant talks about marriage. Like, might be an issue which is going with the marriage over here for some of you, but it is something really. How people see you as the Ten of Swords. People see you as the one that you are the one who did the deception, you were the one who left the situation. So this is how people see you, that you are the reason. It's like playing the blame game, and it's all because of you. Whatever happens, it's all because of you. Okay, so the moon in your hopes and fears. So you are really afraid. You know, in your subconscious, you are afraid. You are like, what will happen at the end? But you're not actually expressing whatever feelings you are getting. You are not able to express them right now. The King of Cups in the final outcome, most likely outcome, but it has come with the Lovers in the future energy. This is someone, you know, somebody might be a Scorpio or a Gemini, but someone is actually coming towards you in a very romantic way and in a very beautiful way, because with the King of Cups, it's all about intuitions and all about love. King of Cups talks about love, care, and good things. Okay, all right, so let's clarify now. Let's clarify the Five of Wands in your present energies. Nine of Wands. So it's like that you are again and again, you are fighting for something, but still you are not getting that thing. You are fighting for a promotion, you are not getting it. You are, and now you are just blocking that energy towards you. You are just saying, okay, fine, no, I don't even want that thing to happen, because all the time somebody comes and deceive you. Somebody comes and just shows the real face of theirs, and that is why things are not working fast. Things are quite slow because of all these things. Okay, let's see why the Ten of Cups is here. The Tower. Okay, so yes, a family coming to an end, a relationship coming to an end, which was actually, you were feeling that it is going to be long term. Basically, long term thing coming to an end. Might be a marriage, a long term thing, as you know, coming to an end. Let's see why the Justice is here in your. Okay, let's see. Justice with the Emperor over here in the base of the reading. It is telling that you are in the middle of a thing where all the things, whatever, if you will, you know, if you will join all the things, it will just come that somebody is being so stubborn that, you know, you are feeling that you are not getting justice. It's everything is happening around you, and you are feeling that I really need some kind of justification, but the other person with whom you are dealing, it's like some kind of an arrogant person, some kind of an, you know, egoistic person who, it's all about his ego, whatever comes towards you, and you are not able to talk. Basically, no talking zone. All right. Let's see the Lovers over here in the future energies. Four of Wands. Yeah, Lovers with the Four of Wands. It's like somebody might be even coming in your dreams. If your dreams are telling you something, please do understand, do think about that particular situation. It's not just anything. Page of Cups, Six of Rods, and Ace of Swords. So some kind of a clarification is going to come towards you. Might be an instant message of someone or some past person. Some kind, basically a message of some clarification coming towards you, and you will find that victorious moment. You will find that successful moment that finally it has come. So this might be just a small talk, but it is actually going to help you a lot. And if you are really getting some kind of dreams with someone, you have to take that in mind, because dreams, they tell a lot. Let's see why the Hierophant is here in your energies over here. Present situation with the Hierophant for my Capricorns, please. The Fool and Six of Swords. So all you want is to travel the world. You want to explore the world, and you want happiness. There are some kind of beliefs in your, you know, in you. There are, with the Hierophant, this talks about marriage, but it is all about belief system as well. So whatever you believe, if you believe in yourself, it matters. What do you think? How is your mental level? What is your mentality saying? So you are very enthusiastic. That is why You are really wanting to go towards the calmer waters. You don't want any chaotic zones around you. You just want happiness, you just want exploration, and all you want is to take a leap of faith in your life. So it's like a new journey, okay? That is what you want. Let's see the moon over here in your hopes and fears. For my Capricorns, please. The world. See, the fool is also here with the world and with the 9 of Pentacles. So you are really hoping for good things in life. You're hoping for an independent, like you being independent queen, like you being the person who just wants to think about herself or himself. It's all about you. You want to think about right now. You don't want anyone or anything. It's you want, and you want a process to come to an end, and something is really coming to an end. But it's a fear of the things coming to an end. You are really fearful, but still at the end you know that after this ending, things will start taking a new turn. They will start, actually. Let's see why the King of Cups is here. The Hangman. The Hanged Man and the 5 of Swords. So really you have to just think about the situation over here. If someone is trying to manipulate you, think about it, just analyze it on the way you want to analyze things, okay? It's about your perception, it's about your mental level, it's about your thinking. So if someone is trying to manipulate you, because this thing is actually coming from the past energies as well, with a lot of manipulation and betrayal and deception, it talks about that somebody might start, they tell you that you are wrong. They try to put thoughts in your mind, they try to put words in your mind. So you have to do what you have to do. You have to think, you have to deal with your intuition. You have to think what is the exact scenario. If this person, whatever the truth, whatever the thing that this person is telling you, is this actually truthful? Do I need to trust this person or not? So it's all about you and your decisions. It's your intuition which will tell you the reality. So you have to think about it and then deal with the situation, okay? Rather than just jumping in the conclusion, it will not help you. You have to analyze the situation. It's all about that thing. All right, so that's all, Capricorns. That's all from my side. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.